Welcome to a world where cities change DNA. To understand how, researchers collected insects from dozens of locations across Western and Central Europe, including cities like Paris, Berlin, and Vienna. They compared insects living in cities with those from nearby rural areas. They focused on two insects with very different lifestyles: the small heath butterfly, which usually stays close to where it emerges, and the latticed heath moth, which can travel long distances. Here's what they found. Butterfly populations from different cities showed clear genetic differences, even when those cities were fairly close to each other. But moth populations remained genetically similar across Europe. Same city environments, very different genetic outcomes. Why did this happen? City life is hotter, more polluted, and far more stressful. These pressures induce changes in genes linked to heat tolerance, detoxification, and stress response, helping insects survive. In local species that don't travel far, like the butterfly, genetic traits linked to these stresses begin to change within each city. Because these populations stay isolated, those changes build up independently. Over time, each city develops its own unique genetic signature, leading to strong divergence between cities. In species that travel far, like the moth, city life still pushes genetic change, but constant movement mixes genes between populations, slowing down divergence. Cities like Paris, Berlin, and Vienna are ancient, but urban pressures intensified rapidly over the last century. For insects, that sudden change spans hundreds of generations. That's evolution under intense, accelerated pressure. Insects were just the beginning. Birds are next. Oh, but have you heard a story of the scariest birds in history and why they disappeared? Subscribe LabLucid for more.